Hello guys, this is Drake Suckson's Pokemon White walkthrough. Now that you think that I'm playing an old game, I've already beat Pokemon X and Y, and it really wasn't that hard, but I'm just playing this game over again. I already beat it. I'm gonna play it again. And I've already deleted it. And hope you guys like this walkthrough. It's pretty fun. Because it is kind of annoying of a level every game too. Stick around. And now let's begin the new adventure. Okay, let me say Professor Juniper. Faffing, what's up, crap? Figure out those crap. My sister had one of those Pokemon that is not that good. Okay, what do you say, Professor Juniper? So, you want to be a boy or a girl? Yeah, I'm gonna be a girl. No, I'm gonna be a boy. What's your name? My name is Billy Bob, what do you think? No, my name is Drake. Wait, freaking 3S. Dang it. This is gonna take a lot of talks. So, wait a minute. There. I finally got my name in. Let's go. Where is that? Yeah, that's really Let's begin. The first one is Drake. These two are weirdos. You don't mess with them. So, Professor Juniper, why is it spring? I like summer. Where are those little... Where are those pedos at? Professor Juniper broke in my house. As it came out. She broke in. How dare she? Drake! I heard from Professor Juniper we can have a Puma. Let's keep him Bianca. Oh, you lazy butt, come over here. No. So, next time, we'll get more Pokemon, but I want to see what kind of Pokemon should I get, guys. So, next time, this is a tutorial, because I haven't started the walkthrough yet, so, yeah. I'm new, don't forget that, and Papa Roger, if you're hearing this, you're awesome at Pokemon. Okay, so I choose Oshawott, Snivy, or Tepig. See you guys next time.